Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to charge a magic mouse just like this one right here. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is a magic mouse, and it's actually really easy to charge this Apple magic mouse, to be more specific. If you look at the bottom, so this is the top right here where you actually use your fingers to click and touch and move it around and stuff like that. Flip it over and look at the bottom. What you're going to find is a little hole here, and many people don't know this. They think it's just a hole or just a gap in the plastic or whatever material this is over here, just for, for whatever reason, for air ventilation or something like that. That's actually a charging port. If you take a look really closely, you can see that it's a charging port, and it is for a lightning cable. Now all that you need to do is take your lightning cable, and obviously the other end of this is going to be plugged into like a power brick, which is plugged into the wall. Okay, you're going to take your lightning cable and you just have to plug it in right over there, just like that. That's how you charge the magic mouse. Make sure that the power source is working fine. Make sure that your cable is good to go, and that's how you charge it. Now, the great thing about the lightning cable is that you can take it out and flip it the other way, and it's still going to charge. So it's universal orientation. No matter which way you flip it, right? I can flip the mouse the other way. It's still going to click in there fine. Make sure your cable's in good condition. Make sure your power brick is working properly. And that's it. That's how to charge the magic mouse. An easy tutorial. If you like this video, sorry, I should say an easy tutorial, a step-by-step tutorial, as I said in the title and in the intro, with super duper easy peasy instructions. It's literally that simple. Now, sorry, last thing I will say, the only thing about the mouse is that there's no indicator on this version of the mouse, on this generation of the mouse, of the magic mouse, that it is charging. There's no indicator letting you know that it's charging. So you have to look on your computer when it's connected to your computer and watch that charge level, that battery percentage go up. That's how you know that it's actually charging. There's no like light that lights up when it's charging, just so you know. But yeah, that's basically it. And make sure obviously that when it's charged and you want to turn it on, you flick the on switch on over there, just so you know. That's a basic tutorial for charging it and sort of turning it on. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.